So tonight I'm going to have DIY again a slime. I don't know if this is a fail again, or I don't know. So I'm just gonna eat my dinner, so let's go! So I'm in now and I have my food. My food is a tuna. I love it. So I'm watching a TV. I'm gonna finish it.
Alam niyo ba kung anong amazing sa show na ito? Lahat ng yan magtatapos sa dalawang engranding gabi ng Tapatan, Pasiklaban at Grand Showdown. Inuturo nila ang lahat para makuha ang iisang titulo, ang maging kauna-una.
Ready at my room and I'm already dressed now. So the ingredient will be 2 only, but first you'll need something you can put soda and something that can mix your slime. Is just 2 ingredients. It's gonna be a shampoo, any kind of a shampoo, a toothpaste, any kind of a toothpaste, and I bring another one for an extra. So that's gonna be our second, so you will need another one. You will need is something you can put to the 2 ingredients over here, and something you can mix on the slime. So, let's get started. So, the first, I forgot this one. You can put this down there. Anywhere you can put. So, first I'll put the toothpaste. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna put another shampoo. So there. I'm gonna mix it now. Smells good. Excuse me. I'm not in the manners. So I'm mixing it. I'm gonna bag. But since it takes me so long, so I'm gonna put a salt, any kind of a salt. Mine is from the Philippines, that's why. So I'm just gonna mix it up. Wait, just gonna move that dirt here. Guys. James John comment that and request me that I should do the 60-second cold shower challenge. That one. So I'm gonna do that when I'm at my real home. Yep. So. By the way, guys, I need your help how to live stream in the YouTube because I'm a newbie in the YouTube, so that's why. Because I'm going to live stream, what's the live stream vlog tomorrow. Because I'm going to my real home and my sister is very busy now. And I'm here relaxing, recording videos, something like that. So guys, I'm just gonna let this freeze 24 hours. So, and after after I wake up, I will check on it and record. Oh wait. So nothing's over here. On my back, my front, and nothing, because I put my slime in the freezer. Okay. That's my mom. I always do that. So, I will have a very fast talk, guys. So, for James John, or did you subscribe me? Or I don't know. But if you subscribe me, I will do what you request. But first, if I would get 10 likes. So, where was I? If I would get 10 likes or 10 likes, 10 comments, and to those who view my videos, subscribe me so that. Sorry for that. So, if to those again who view my videos, please subscribe me so I can do the, what's that again? The 60-second cold shower challenge or cold bucket challenge. I don't know. So, because I'm hitting the 1,000 subscribers or 10 or 2,000. I don't know. So if I would get 10 comments, 10 likes, I will do that challenge. Okay? So see you in a second tomorrow. My sisters keep on bothering me. So, I'm gonna go to the living room. Let's go. Let's go.
Kumakanta po ng mga matataas na pire. Hindi, pwede din po ako mag-opera. Hopyang di mabili. Alam naman po natin na si Pavarotti yung tao po na sobrang laki ng boses. Sabi po ni Teacher Annie, kailangan daw po may brilyo yung boses. Parang, very emotive daw po sabi ni Teacher. Sana po tuloy po yung mga audience natin at mag-enjoy po sila. Yun po
I will love this show.
Napili para po ma-challenge po ako at makapagpasaya po ako ng mga tao.
Bakit ikaw naman ang harapat-dapat maging grand winner ng Your Face Sounds Today?
Sa simula pa lang po, ginawa ko na po yung best ko na gayahin po lahat po ng icons na binigay po sa akin. At ngayong gabi po, pinapromise ko po sa mga ka-familiars po natin na si Ella na Bridget Belter ay magiging tunay na opera singer.
Pumasok dyan sa the last round.
This is the very exciting part. Oh my! Ella. Si Ella. As. Ella as. La donna immobile. What? What? Ooh. Guys, I will see you tomorrow when I'm done sleeping. So let's go. I'm gonna sleep now. Bye bye. Good morning, guys. So I'm gonna check out now my slimes. Oh wait. Okay, I'm just kidding. Let's go. We're in my kitchen. I'm just gonna hurry this up because we're going to the church. So my slime was over there. This one. Over here. Like there. One. I know it has something. No, I'm just gonna mix it. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. It's like I'm making a shaving cream. Cause there's not happen. It's so fluffy. Yep. Guys, it's a fail again. It's not slime. Look at this. It's not a slime. So, it's a fail, guys. So, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment down below, share to anyone, and subscribe me. Bye-bye. See you in my other challenge.